Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so happy to share this recipe with you. I'll be showing you how to make bow tie pasta, aka farfalle pasta. Okay, so this here is for 1/7. So if you want to make for the whole family, you can just multiply. So I'll be dropping the ingredients I use in the description box. So for every 100 gram of flour, you need 1 egg. So I just added my flour to my silicone mat, made a well in the middle, and then cracked in my egg. And then I just mixed in my fork, and then when I could no longer do that, I used my hands, yes, and I formed a dough, allowed the dough to rest for 10 minutes, and I'm just going to roll this till it's very thin. You know, the first time I ever tried making pasta, it was too thick that it did not cook all the way through. I cooked for an hour and still I could not eat it because it was so strong. But now I make my pasta to perfection, yes, and I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so after rolling out, I just use my crinkle cutter, you know, to cut, yeah, to this shape, yeah, that you see. And then I have 3 methods of making this farfalle pasta, bow tie pasta, and if you've been watching the video, you will see what I did there. So first with the hands, I just bring the edges together, pinch down, and then flip it over and then bring them together. Now if you cannot get that right, you can make use of your skewer. Yes, that's simple and easy. Just put the skewer in between and then bring the edges together and pinch at the middle. And then this is the last process. Just pinch down there, and voila, this is your bow tie pasta. So easy and simple. Like, I know, practicalizing or trying to replicate recipes sometimes might be a little difficult and tough, but it's definitely worth trying. This recipe is worth trying, and I'll be making my homemade fresh pasta immediately. Yes, I make them immediately, though you can also store this in the freezer. So I'm just going to go straight ahead to make stir-fry pasta with this. So I just added a little oil to my pan, and I just transferred my marinated turkey, and then I'll be pan frying that. And then after some minutes, I added my onion, and then my pepper, my salt, and my seasoning cube. Then I'll add bell peppers and carrots. It's stir-fry pasta. So for the pasta, the boiling process, after making your fresh homemade pasta and you want to eat it immediately, just boil in hot water. Yes, so I placed my pot on fire and then added salt, allowed the water to boil, and then I added my fresh pasta and I boiled for 7 minutes. So I just transferred my boiled pasta to the pan, and then I added the water from the pasta and then my parsley, mix that together to combine, and our farfalle pasta, fresh farfalle pasta stir fry is ready.